Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be doing something just a little different. So today I'm going to be making some slime. And I'm going to show y'all a really easy, recipe to use. So you have Elmer's Clear Glue. Just so you know, this might fail, but I did try it with another one, but anyway, so you need Elmer's or Crazy Art Clear Glue. Of course, you need food coloring. I'm using purple. 2 measuring cups. And contact solution. This is in a different kind of bottle because it came from the slime kit, but it is contact solution. So first, you need, for your glue, you need like about, depends on how much you want to make, but I'm going to make like 20 milligrams of it. So I'm going to, if you just open up your glue, and then, okay. So I'm going to, not going to use the whole bottle, no, okay, that's pretty good. So you don't have to have probably a little bit over 50. Is that milligrams? Yeah, it's milligrams. So next, you get your other measuring cup. Get about, probably not that much water, but just enough. So about right here. Well, I'm gonna say about right here. And pour it in there. And I'm just gonna mix with this first. Now I'll add a little bit more. Add the rest. If it doesn't work, I'll try again for y'all. And it'll just be a fail video. Next. Now this is the fun part. You can now add your food coloring. I'm making mine purple. You can make yours any color. And actually, you don't even have to have food coloring. Clear is actually really cool. Whoa! Okay, so I just added the food coloring, and it's purple. Really, really purple. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm just going to kind of mix it up a little bit. There we go. Now, add the activator, which is contact solution. Probably just 3 little squirts. I really hope this works. Ew. Hold on, y'all. I think this failed. Let me try adding a little bit of glue to make it more thick. Might have didn't use enough glue. No, I didn't. Okay, y'all. This is dead. We're trying again. Okay, we're going to try this again, because the last time I made this, it worked out really, really well. So I'm going to try this again. Same recipe and stuff, but I either put a little bit of too much or too less of something. Because I have the right ingredients and everything. I think I just didn't maybe add enough glue. Yay! Okay, this time I'm going to try making the actual slime first and then adding food coloring instead. So let's put in some glue. Use a little bit more. There we go. Now just kind of mix this up a little bit. Don't know why there's, oh yeah, because put water in it. Next, add a little bit of water. I know I've already said this, but I'm just reciting it to myself. I don't think I did it right. Looks good, and now just add the... Why isn't this working? This worked really, really well last time. Let's put more glue. That was the problem. I need more glue, I think. Y'all, why? Let's add more water. Now, glue? I don't know, y'all. Okay. If this doesn't end up working, then I'm gonna have to, like, find another recipe with clear glue or something. Because, no, y'all. I know this didn't work, and I'm really, really sorry, but if it works for y'all, round of applause for y'all. Because, and if it did work for y'all, tell me in the comments below how you did it. Okay, I still have a little bit of glue left. Hold on, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, y'all, so I finally got this to work. It is not that much, but I figured out what I did wrong. I didn't have I had too much water in it. It had way too much water. And the water was making it really runny and nasty. So, but I did figure it out. So now I'm just going to sit here and play with it for a couple minutes, and it'll get it like less sticky and all that. And then I can add the food coloring. And I also figured out that it's pretty good to put the food coloring in once you're actually finished with the slime. It's only with this recipe though. Like stuff with borax and white glue, you can add it at like any time. But like it's always better to add the food coloring after because dang, okay y'all, I dropped it in water. I didn't know there was water in it. Oopsie. Okay, so now I think I'm going to add the food coloring. So just drop it in here. Hold on, wash my hands first. They're all sticky and gross. Yeah. Okay, my hands are all sticky and gross now, but they're all clean. So now we're going to add a little bit of food coloring. Just like this. Now I'm going to just get my little popsicle stick. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Sorry, y'all, I'm singing a song in my head. This is looking really, really cool. This is really, really cool. Look at this. It's not a lot, but it's like really, really cool. It almost feels like bubble gum. It's like really, really cool. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. This is really, really cool. I love this color too. It's purple, 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 purple. I love purple. Okay, so, here, I'll be right back. I'm going to get the slime that I made, the other slime that I made with this. So this is the other slime that I made with this recipe. It's pretty good. It almost feels like gummy stuff, and like it's really, really, really weird. It's really different than most slime, but this, I really, really, really like this recipe, so I do recommend it. If it fails, so I would start out and I learned my lesson. First of all, don't use a lot of water. And second of all, you really, 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 really need to pay attention to your measures. Well, actually, no, you don't. Because it's like at first, I was really freaking out, like with the measures and stuff, and it made this, and this is really good. But like I just made that little tiny bit right here, and like it's like really, really good. But like you don't need a lot of water if you're making. Yeah, you really, really don't need a lot of water. The water just kind of makes it kind of thick and easy to add to the contact solution. So that's all it does. So I will see y'all in my next video. So bye.